Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra. Today is day 11 of our 100-day price action challenge. Coming to our daily market analysis, the entire broader market has closed in green. If you see, Nifty is consolidating sideways since the beginning of the week. It is as of now looking very decent. Nifty 50, whereas Nifty next 50, the junior stocks are slowly inching up. Whereas Nifty 100 is almost a similar price action has which is seeing on the Nifty. But if you look at mid cap, see the rally is not at all stopping. In fact, I'm getting a little bit worried about here because you can see that almost from the lows, the small cap index was up 10% and was up for straight for the last 13 sessions. So does the Nifty micro cap index. Even it is up 12% and was up for the last 14 days straight. So do not expect the market to go like this because previously whenever the market tried to happen, it needs some consolidation, something like this. If the consolidation happens, it is good. Whereas the broader market, which is Nifty 500, since the heavy weights are Nifty 50 stocks itself, this index hasn't moved much here. If you look at banking stocks, they are forming again a little bit consolidation. As of now, this looks a perfect consolidation to me. Any breakout from the above is a perfect price action. Similar action is seeing on the private banks and PSU. Nifty IT continues to still move up, inch up daily. Auto stocks are again flat today. Realty stocks have taken a breather today. Pharma stocks again are taking some time here. Infra to again, you see that most of the charts today are on the sideways or the flat basis. Even the Nifty healthcare index too had a sideways trend. If you look at the media and other, there would be some negative. So let's just not waste our time and get back into our daily analysis here. If you look at Reliance Industry, the stock is getting weaker and weaker each day. I do not like this at all. TCS, it is consolidating while the IT sector is going up. TCS, it's taking a bit of time. Let's wait and watch. HDFC too is acting well as of now. Perfect here. Airtel, we need a breakout here, only then we can confirm that it is stronger. ICICI again sideways today, acting well. Infosys a very good follow up, relatively. If you look at since yesterday's price action, the breakout has been working, and currently this would be the all time high level. This would be a low cheat entry for aggressive traders. Once this, I need, maybe it might consolidate here, and we would see a strong breakout in future. State Bank of India too again acting very well, perfect as expected, not correcting much and taking its time here. ITC still weaker, so is Hindustan Unilever. LIC, look at it again, it is getting weaker. Now the downtrend is confirming. Maybe this was just a bounce from the previous sell rally. As of now, we don't see any strength in LIC too. HCL Tech again sideways today. The entire IT space, these large names are taking some time here. L&T decent action again. It tested yesterday's lows, but again bounced back yesterday. Maybe a little consolidation because we have been seeing a non-stop continuous move in this stock. Sun Pharma, nothing interesting happened here. Bajaj Finance, very interesting today. In fact, it has broken out of this mini range and had a huge volume too. I mean, double the volume almost, 2.58% closing. Decent. In fact, it is again heading up to the 7800. Let's hope that at least this time, just like HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance to comes out of its long-term consolidation and starts making a move. NTPC, nothing interesting here. Axis Bank too, same. No strength lies here. Maruti, let's just ignore this name for a while. Kotak again tried this 1800 level but unable to close above this level. Let's wait until it closes. M&M again a fair attempt today, but again looks like it needs some more time here. ONGC getting weaker. Tata Motors again, no action here. There is no movement here. Ultratech, see, look at here. This is what I was talking about. This was a slight pullback here, and today it had attempted and almost touched the 12,000 level, but the closing was weak. It means that the buyers had tried, but maybe in future they need some more strength. As of now, I am looking, this is a very positive action. Probably in coming days we might see a breakout. Then our stop loss would be somewhere around this base low. See, only 3% stop loss for a large cap name. Perfect, right? The risk reward ratio would be very favorable. Adani again a very boring name. Power grid, nothing happening here too. Titan, even today the Titan is also flat again. But you can see that this 3500 is the level we have to be seeing, observing for. Just like Bajaj Finance, it is also slowly moving up. Let's wait and see. The more stocks you have, the merrier it is, right? Bajaj Auto, nothing interesting here. Adani Ports, again, nothing interesting here. Coal India, no attempt here. Asian Paints finally, after a very long time, it had a positive day, but I don't think it gives any significance because look at here, almost after a series of last 100 days of selling, we might be seeing one or two positive days here. Wipro again, see, this is what I'm talking about the strength. You have a breakout somewhere around here 297 and 300. We talked in yesterday's and day before yesterday's video, right? We want the weekly closing to be also above 300, then we can be very sure that Wipro has broken out of its long-term consolidation. Hindustan Unilever getting better and better. No breakout confirmation yet. It is still taking some time. Again, similar action like Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finserv too is trying to bounce back. Let's wait. Let's give our all the best to Bajaj Finance stocks. DMart again, see, negative 2.85% with a high volume. That's what I'm talking about. Stay away from this name too. This is just like the other FMCG stock, which is, although it is a retail business, but again, showing a chart or characteristics of FMCG. Trend here, see, this is an interesting chart today. Again, the volumes are fairly high and the closing was decent. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or coming in coming days, we might see a small breakout from this level. Then we can confirm that the selling in the trend has halted and probably it is again trying to move up back. This is what we want in a stronger stocks, right? Resilience. Adani Green, very poor performance. Simons again getting tighter and tighter. Let's wait. I'm just putting an alert at 8,000. Whenever I get an alert, I would try to take an entry here. This is getting very interesting. I love this name. Jindal still got rejected again at this resistance level. Let's wait. It needs some more time here. Adani Power again waste of time looking at those Adani charts. Zomato I did not expect it is coming back to this breakout level. Let's see that whether it takes support here or again slide back to its channel. If it is going to slide back, probably our trade has went wrong and we have to exit from the trade. But let's not be in a hurry. Let's wait for the confirmation sign. Ideally, a strong stock should bounce back here and move again backwards. Nestle, nothing interesting here. You can see, right? No major development. Same in the IOC too. Bharat Electronics again, just like you, it is also testing my patience. We have initiated our buy here, but the stock has been flat for almost last 5 sessions and 7 days, right? It's not falling at the same time, it is not moving up too. Let's just wait and see. If this happens for a very long time, we have to exit from the name because if there are any other interesting names out there, we can switch to those names. Varun Beverages acting well, so far so good. Jio Finance, that's what yesterday I have told you, right? We need somewhere a bounce like here. If the same thing happens on the Zomato, that would be wonderful. So Geo again, I am closely watching this name because it had a good move up, then a slight pullback. Now it is going up. Probably it will going to test this 360 level. It would be very interesting. See, there is some interest in financial space. You are seeing Shriram Finance, Chola Bajaj Finserv, Jio Finance. So observe this. Observe these minute details. That again, money is moving into financial stocks too. DLF again a very strong, not a strong day, but a very healthy action on the chart, right? It is finally coming to these 890 levels. Let's wait and see how this range would be respected or not. Tata Steel, nothing major happened here. Vedanta, see, very again very strong day, a perfect breakout here. Now it has tested almost its all-time high today. Even the closing was stronger. It could have closed at 524. It would be much stronger. But again, I love this closing. See, Vedanta looks like this would be a very long base. If I just want to draw another line here, I can draw somewhere around this 520 level. This would be the long base, and this would be our cheat entry for aggressive traders. Now, maybe some little consolidation here and a breakout would be perfect entry for Vedanta. As far as good, Vedanta has become one of the strongest names in Nifty 100. Grasim, I did not expect, although Ultratech is looking much stronger than Grasim now. We need a strong move somewhere here, a strong candle. IRFC, look at this. This is getting interesting. Days like this show that IRFC has still the strength left. If you see, the C is also, this looks something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. We would discuss patterns so in much more detail in future videos, but looks like IRFC has formed a bottom. Let's hope that it won't get rejected here, because I am seeing that the volumes are fairly high on positive days. See, 2 days ago on Friday it had a good volume. Even today the volume was almost triple the volume. It's very interesting. The price action is developing. LTIM, we have told, we have discussed in detail about this. As so far so good, it is acting well. Indigo, another strong name here. It is taking some break here, maybe. I would be interested in this name unless somewhere here or here, because I am seeing much better charts rather than Indigo too. Techem, I don't like how this is going. Again, I want this to move like LTIM. Let's wait and see. As of now, the stop loss has not been hit. We have put the stop loss somewhere around this 1700 level. So let's wait and watch. That's the usual thing with large cap names. When you take entries, ideally, it might take some time, because these are the largest companies, so they move much slower than mid and small cap names. SBI Life, nothing interesting here. Pidilite again got rejected here. I don't want this. I mean, if the stock has strength, it should hold or sustain at these levels. Let's wait. Let's just not give up on Pidilite, but see how the price action turns. ABB again getting interesting. It needs to break out this level. Let's watch it closely. Divi's Laboratory, not at all exciting as of now, although it is one of the strongest names in Nifty 100. Not a right time. HDFC Life, let's not waste our time here. Hindalco attempted here. Look at Tata Steel, look at Vedanta, look at Hindalco. Which is the strongest? Vedanta, right? You ideally want your money in Vedanta. Why do you want to look at Hindalco or Tata Steel? PFC again, a little bit of weakness here. Let's see how this turns out in future. Britannia, positive update, but this does not excite me at all unless it closes about 5,000. We can't even comment on the stock. Ambuja Cement, it finally broke out of this mini consolidation we have been discussing. Overall, good. This 585 would be the new. Let's see whether, unlike the last time, you can see here, right? Every time the stock was consolidating here, got corrected, then it tried to move again, got rejected here. Again, it is coming up. Let's wait and see this time whether the stock would get rejected and form a new low, or maybe it would be a reversal story, because cement stocks are doing so well. I'm thinking that maybe there is strength in these stocks. Gale again pulling back harder. A slight bounce would be a good indication. Tata Power, nothing interesting so far here happening. Unless this 450 level is taken out, we can't discuss anything. REC acting well. In fact, we can just slightly move, because it is more confirming, right? It is taking a lot of break here. So far, okay, not so very great stock, but it is average. Finally, the correction has been ended. Motherson Sumi still looking very weak. BBCL not so great here. Godrej Consumer Property again, unless this gap is closed, I can't comment anything here. Eicher Motors again looking sideways only. There is no force there. Bank of Baroda again. Although it is still this big day, you if you notice, all last four trading sessions were within this trading range only. So even the volumes are getting dried up. Let's see whether the supply is getting absorbed or not. Cipla again looking very weak. Probably we have to see a bounce here, but it looks like it already bounced and trying to go lower and lower. So pharma is becoming weaker right now. JSW Energy having a slight pullback, maybe again. Let's see how this turns out. TVS Motor, nothing interesting as of now. Let's wait for some more time. Torrent Pharma holding up sideways. There is no inherent strength left in pharma now. Look at Shriram Finance. I've been telling you that the money is moving into financial services or finance stocks. That's very interesting. You can see almost the last 13 sessions it was up 19% the stock, and very well it is acting very good. Even Chola 2 had attempted a very good. Let's wait that this level is taken out. As of now, comparatively, I found Jio Finance to be doing well, especially among these NBFCs. If you ignore the banking names, NBFC, you have Jio Finance, Bajaj Finance, Shriram Finance, and Cholamandalam. Out of all these, I find Jio Finance. Even you also find. Let's just check again. See, if you check with the Jio Finance, see, this looks much better than your Chola or Bajaj Finance, right? Even Bajaj Holding again attempted today, but the closing was weak. Maybe it is signaling something. Look at this. Last 3 day volumes are getting higher. Uh, like I told you earlier, every time when it reaches this resistance level, it would initially face some kind of selling pressure, but when the finally buyers come, they move up strongly. The similar thing is happening here. If the buyers are strong, the stock would make an upmove. If the sellers are strong, then it would again come back. Adani, let's not waste any time here. Punjab National Bank too consolidating here, just like Bank of Baroda. Dr. Reddy is not acting good. United Spirits against it. I see that among the mid, small, and micro cap names, alcohol stocks are doing well, but United Spirits is taking its own time. Lodha again, see, that's what I'm talking about. When there is a strength, usually the money starts flowing in. I like this name. We are seeing this 1430 would be the major resistance as of now. Once this is taken out, I think we are good to go. iPro not so great. Havel, see, yesterday I told that it was getting weaker and weaker, and I do not like this. Now this is a breather for Havels. Let's wait whether it would again move up or not. Bosch again still consolidating here. Apollo Hospital, see, I think it is interesting for an aggressive and traders today. This might be the entry or stop loss could be. You can, if you are a bit aggressive, you can put 3% stop loss, otherwise 4% stop loss. We can initiate buy, because I am seeing that other hospital stocks among the mid and small cap names are doing much better. But still, even Apollo Hospital too is one of the strongest names in Nifty 100, right? Next time it would be facing some resistance at 7500. Once this is taken out, we can see another smooth move. But remember that this is also one of the slow movers among the Nifty. Zaidu's not looking interesting here. Hero Motocorp again, 1 day of positive closing doesn't change anything. Navkari again, still just like Bharat Electronics, Tata, Tech Mahindra, and your HCL Tech. This stock too is consolidating sideways. Let's wait. But again, we were worried that it is getting lower, but again, it took support here and bounced back. Tata Consumer Products not at all interesting. Dabur too not at all interesting. Lombard again consolidating here. Sindal still looking good, although today was just an inside day candle. Inside day is nothing but when the candle is formed within the range of previous day. That's what we call an inside day candle. Sri Cement. See, that's what I'm talking about. This time the cement stocks are looking very interesting, right? After a long time, even Sri Cement used to be one of the weakest name. Even that name is also getting some buying here and holding these levels. I like that money is also moving into cement stocks. Again, we are stressing it for the last 7 days. So watch this space closely. Even Canara is also looking good, unless and until this 113 level we have been telling each day. Let it break out that 113 level. Union Bank, again, okay, interesting as of now. IndusInd, just ignore it. Adani, ignore it. NHPC, nothing interesting here. BHEL, too, it needs to take out of this level. Only then we can say that, okay, the bottom has formed. IRCTC, after a long time, looks like the railway stocks had a positive day, but let's see. IRFC looks much better than IRCTC. That's what I can say. So that's it for today. Our 100-day price action challenge. We are almost 11 days into the action. Now I think you are observing how the sector rotation is happening, right? Keep watching these videos. I promise you that by day 100, you will learn a lot about these companies than people who usually study about their businesses. So till then, see you guys.